Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to help many users who have the habit of scattering the files throughout their system, and system takes a long time to search those files when they require that particular file. So we have a feature in Windows that we call it as Windows File Indexer. To reach to that particular file indexing option, you will look for your control panel, click here. By default, if it shows in category view, you can just come here and view by choose the large icons. Here you will see this indexing options. In my case, I have the habit of using my second drive. So what I will do, I will come here and modify the indexing options and choose my another drive, which is my external drive as well. I will choose here and click OK. Now system will run in background to index all the files which are there in my FireCutter drive E. You have to go to this advanced index searching options, click here, and you can go to your file types, and based on the extension you can also index these files, or you can also choose index properties and file extension. I hope you will find this video helpful, and do please remember that this process makes your system slower and it may take long time if your external drive or your secondary drive have large number of files in it. You can see the number of index items are now getting added up here. So this process is going to take some time. I hope you will find this video of indexing more helpful, and once this indexing is done, you will be able to look for your file more quickly as never before. So thank you so much all. See you in my next video.